soil-borne creatures that work hard to process organic matter and release nutrients for your plants to feed on, to take it up through the roots, as well as supporting the root system and protecting them from pest and disease damage as well. So these guys are important. These guys are your support crew. Over time, these can drastically reduce the amount of work that you need to put into your garden to take care of your garden, so they can actually provide quite a lot of support for yourself as much as your plants. Taking care of the soil in your garden and the ecosystem will provide long-term care and support for your garden, for your plants. Understanding the type of soil that you've got in your garden and growing the plants that suit that soil can prevent you from needing to provide them with a lot of care, reducing a lot of work and cost as well, replacing plants. Your plants won't be struggling to survive, won't be struggling to find the nutrients they need, and they'll be living in an environment that will actually suit them and will allow them to thrive. So by understanding the type of soil that you've got, supporting the ecosystem within the soil, and even if you need to alter it because it's not quite the best soil for the plants that are growing in your garden, even if you want to alter it later and then make it suit a wider range of plants, not reducing what you can grow, changing the soil up to try and help it to meet more requirements, even if you need to do that, starting off by understanding what you're working with will provide you with some very important, very valuable information to work with. So you can understand what plants will thrive in what you've got, and how you need to condition it up to provide better soil for more plants to thrive in.